Good afternoon. We're making Christmas gifts today, and we are making candied jalapeno slices. These are dead easy to make, and if you start making them now, they'll be ready for Christmas presents, and people can enjoy them for their New Year's Eve celebration, or just with crackers, however you want to do. So basically what you do is you get a jar of jalapenos like this, and you just pour sugar into the jar, and you keep on pouring it in, turning it over, turn, overturn, overturn, overturn. Takes a couple of weeks. They have to sit, and then they are wonderful and candied and just beautiful. All right, here we go. We're going to take, I'm just going to use a spoon to spoon some of these in here. These are little gift jars that you can get from the Ball Company, and they're the perfect size to give for gifts. Come on. Here we go. Okay. Pour a little juice that's in the jar, because it'll make juice. Sugar juice, kind of. Okay. And then you can, if you want to, you can put a little extra sugar on the top, just so you know that, just so that it makes sure that it's nice and ready and be beautiful when the person gets it. This sugar will melt, and just keep on adding a little sugar until it's filled. And that way, by the time the person gets it, because we're going to give these out in December, when the person gets it, it'll be really nice. And try to clean it off as much as you can. And then take the top and put it on, and just put it in the cupboard. And it'll be ready to give Christmas. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe. Talk to you later.